Hi guys, for today's video, let's unbox Vivo Original 4A Type-C cable and 44 watts Vivo charger adapter with both 6 months warranty for factory defect. Cable length is 0.97 meter, compatible with Vivo 33 watts and 44 watts adapter. While our adapter is flash charge technology in 30 minutes for X series multiple device compatibility with 9 layers of protection. Available here at Vivo Concept Store 2nd floor SM Center Muntinlupa. That's it for today's video guys. Please don't forget to follow, like, share and copy link. See you again next time.